Hey guys, Andy here again, and welcome to AT Capital Trading. The topic of this video is going to be the weekly outlook of the gas price, NATGAS, as every Sunday from now on. Please note that I am not a financial advisor and do those videos for educational purposes only. You must analyze and make your trading decisions for yourself. So, let's get started with the weekly chart of NATGAS. Well, over the span of 1 year, the price for gas has decreased from around $10 to quite low areas. And we are going to have a look how probable a further dump is. Okay. So first of all, we can see here that the price found support on a very old support zone that lasts, let's have a look. Look at that, even from the 90s. Yeah. So no wonder it bounced back here. But when we look at the recent price action, we can see that the bullish candles in comparison to the bearish ones have corrective character. So look at this bearish momentum here, and now look at this bounce from this support zone. This has corrective character to me. So let's have a look at the indicators, what kind of picture they show us. The MACD, which can be used for measuring momentum of the price action, shows a decreasing momentum here. The histogram hasn't crossed the zero line, and the price found resistance here at the price around $3 and bounced from it back a bit and formed a quite significant wick in the weekly candle. So let's have a look at the Ichimoku Kinko-yo. This is a thick cloud ahead of the price, but it's not of real importance for right now because it is still far away. The only two things that hint at difficulties for the price to go further up are the small plateau here at the Senko span B, where it's going through. Our resistance here that we have found. And the other thing is the Chiku span. This is the green graph here. It is right in the middle of the recent candles, which indicates that the current price action tends to be choppy. Well, as I said in the last video, give me a comment if you want me to make a video on how to use this powerful tool in trading, Ichimoku Kinko-yo. Okay, so now let's switch over to the daily chart and find maybe more clues of what we can expect from the next week. The price seems to form an ascending triangle. Look at that. The RSI is losing momentum a bit, not much, but a bit. And the MACD as well, right? So you can see here. Look at that. The MACD is losing momentum, and the histogram too. But look at this triangle. The price does not have much room left for a downward move without piercing through the trend line. And given that it is a ascending triangle, it is possible that the price manages to go through higher and maybe find resistance in the area around 390, 380, something like that. So maybe the 200 moving average will be a kind of resistance for it. If not, well, it is possible that it pierces a bit through and finds resistance here in that area around 360. Yeah, because as you can see here, that is a former support zone which was quite significant for a while. Look at that, how many times it bounced or it touched this support here. Yeah, so that could be a quite significant zone here in that area. And let's draw it red for right now. I think if I remember right, it even would fit to the price on the weekly chart. Look, with first of all the weekly 200 moving average round about the same price level, and look at the Ichimoku. I told you that, well, a few minutes ago, that the Ichimoku cloud plays a quite big role as support or resistance. Depends on where the price is. In this case, resistance, and here it is. That area fits right into the picture on the weekly chart with Ichimoku Kinko-yo. But we will see what the next week brings. I'll make an update next week for sure. Well, thanks guys for watching, and please leave a like, comment on the video, and please subscribe and help me grow this channel. Thank you very much. Bye for now, until the next week.